Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. In PostgreSQL, which command is used to enable row-level security, RLS, on a specific table? The correct answer is option A. Alter table_name enable row-level security. In the pg_hba.conf file, which authentication method allows a user to connect as long as they have a valid entry in the system/etc/password file? The correct answer is option B, ident. Which data type in PostgreSQL is preferred for storing JSON data when you need to perform frequent indexing and faster lookups? The correct answer is option C, JSONB. Which type of index is most suitable for very large tables where data has a natural correlation with its physical location on disk, such as a timestamp column? The correct answer is option D, BRIN. Which index type is specifically designed to handle composite values like arrays or full-text search vectors? The correct answer is option A, GIN. What is the purpose of the Postgres_FW extension in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. To access and query data stored in external PostgreSQL servers. In logical replication, what is used to ensure that the primary server does not discard WL files until they have been consumed by the subscriber? The correct answer is option C, replication slots. Which command line utility is used to back up an entire PostgreSQL cluster, including global objects like roles and table faces? The correct answer is option D, pg_dumpall. When using explain, analyze, buffers, what does the shared hit metric indicate? The correct answer is option A. The number of blocks found in the PostgreSQL shared buffer cache. PostgreSQL 10 introduced declarative partitioning. Which clause is used in the create table statement to define a partition table? The correct answer is option B, partition by range/list/hash. How does PostgreSQL's MVCC, multi-version concurrency control, handle a row update? The correct answer is option C. It marks the old row as expired and inserts a new version of the row. What does the vacuum freeze command specifically do? The correct answer is option D. It aggressively updates the transaction ID of rows to prevent XID wraparound. Which keyword is required to perform a hierarchical query using a common table expression, CTE? The correct answer is option A, recursive. Which window function would you use to access data from the previous row within the same result set? The correct answer is option C, LG. Which extension is the industry standard for adding spatial and geographic objects to PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, PostGIS. In PostgreSQL, what is the primary purpose of the archive_command configuration parameter? The correct answer is option C. To specify a shell command to copy completed WL segments to a safe location. which PostgreSQL data type can store a range of values, such as a start and end timestamp, in a single column. The correct answer is option A, strange. What is the primary benefit of using a lateral join in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option A. It allows a subquery to reference columns from preceding items in the from list. Which syntax is used to perform an upsert, update, or insert operation in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, insert into. On conflict, do update. What are advisory locks in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option D, application-defined locks that have no inherent semantic meaning to the database. Which system view provides information about currently running queries, including their start time and state? The correct answer is option A, PG_stat_activity. To use a PostgreSQL extension like PG_stat_statements, what command must be executed in the database? The correct answer is option B, create extension PG_stat_statements. Which function is used to convert a text string into its vector for full text searching? The correct answer is option C, to underscore its vector. What is a partial index in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option D, an index built over a subset of a table defined by a conditional where clause. Which command is used to collect statistics about the contents of tables to help the query planner make better decisions? The correct answer is option A, analyze. In which isolation level does PostgreSQL guarantee that a transaction will see a consistent snapshot of the database as of the time the first query in the transaction started? The correct answer is option B, repeatable read. Which function is used to retrieve the next value from a sequence object? The correct answer is option C, nextVal. What is the main difference between a before trigger and an instead of trigger? The correct answer is option D, instead of triggers are primarily used on views to redirect DML operations. Which PostgreSQL feature allows you to store the result of a complex query physically on disk for faster retrieval, requiring manual refreshes? The correct answer is option A, materialized views. Which tool is commonly used as a lightweight connection pooler for PostgreSQL to reduce the overhead of opening and closing connections? The correct answer is option B, PGBouncer. Thank you for watching.